Hey, what's up, you guys? So, as you can tell by the title, today I will be cleaning out my refrigerator and my freezer. I'm just giving y'all a look into how, real life is. No sugarcoat, nothing. This is what it is. Kids spilling stuff in the refrigerator, just making a mess. The freezer is just not organized, everything bunched up together. I'm just trying to get my life together and declutter and throw all the things that are unnecessary away in my house. Starting with the fridge, I already started to declutter some other areas of my house. And yes, I have shorts on, okay, just in case you were wondering. But I'm starting with my refrigerator because I will be decluttering and organizing my kitchen next. So I just start off by taking all of these items out of my refrigerator and starting with the old chocolate, the old grapes, the produce, things that we don't even eat, don't even touch, don't even need, that's expired, that's just sitting there taking up room, that just need to be cleared out and cleaned out, okay? Because it was just disgusting. After I removed all of the food items out of here, I threw away at least 90, I would say, 90% of the food items that was in my refrigerator. I threw them away. Like, look at the old strawberries, just just sitting there not being eaten. Like aloe vera that I used for my daughter's hair that was just sitting in there that I didn't use anymore. I just threw the whole bottle away. Like cans that were never open, threw them away. Like, it's just crazy how much stuff I had in there. Old apples that were never open, just food just being wasted and not used and not eaten. And it makes you not even want to cook, when you don't have like your house, your refrigerator, your dishes, your kitchen in order. It makes you not even want to get up. And I also suffer with anxiety and depression, so I'm just going to be cleaning through that too. This is just the beginning of it all. I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background. It's my kids. So yeah, it's just disgusting how this looks. It's just not a good look. So we're about to get everything right though, okay? So here's all the food that was in my refrigerator. Like, oh my gosh. Didn't even know I could fit all that in there. So I'm just going to get my trash can, and I filled it up to the brim. I mean, when I tell you that trash can was full, it was full. And then I had another trash bag that was full from when I did my freezer. Okay, so everything had to go. Everything needed to go, okay? So during this part right here, my back was hurting so bad. I don't know why my back gets so like stiff and uncomfortable and hurts when I'm like doing manual labor or whatever. I'm not sure if it's from when I had my babies and getting the epidural twice, but yeah, my back hurts a lot when I'm doing tasks. But I pushed through it. I started sweating. I started getting water all over me. While I'm scrubbing down everything, and then I'm going to just use paper towels because I didn't have a washcloth available at like the time, so I just use paper towels. But yeah, it was a struggle. This is when I started sweating, when I had to scrape out everything from the refrigerator, and then I had to dry everything up with these paper towels. I had a whole big roll that I just needed to use anyway, so I'm not being wasteful. It's just, I need to get rid of it because I am going to be organizing and decluttering my spaces anyways. So the less I have, the better. I'm trying to become a minimalist and organize as much as possible and clean as much as possible. So it'll free up some space in my house and, in my head, because I get anxiety just thinking about it, like all the tasks and all the things that I have to do and declutter. But yeah, heading on over to the door. This was the messiest part because this is where all my condiments and everything is. I just used soapy water and a scrub brush and to get this out, and just scrubbed everything down and then wiped it off with the paper towels. But I hope this motivates you guys to start, cleaning, get motivated to get up and do things and clean your house. It just makes you feel so much better afterwards, and looking at it and cooking and stuff like that. It just gets you motivated and in the mood, to do the tasks that you want to do or need to do. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back later on in the video. Okay, you guys, so here's the finished product. Everything looks fresh and organized and clean. To my left, I'm going to show you at the end of the video all the food that I got rid of. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.